Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie. Hope you are well. Today I will show you some of my last purchase. This card I ever show it in the previous video. It's a Dan Hampton Fabric of the Game. I purchased it from a German seller and I love it, the looking of this card. And I tried to look on the net if I can grab another card on the same series, and I succeed to grab two another card from COCM. That it's Warren Moon. Very happy with this card. One of my favorite all-time quarterback. And my second grab is so nice. It's Tim Brown, one of the best wide receiver in NFL history. And maybe you can look the three card of this set. That it's crazy nice. I love. Very happy with this. Even if from COCM the delay of the receiving stuff is quite long. I pay a lot of bucks for the shipping cost, even some border taxes. But the purchase from the card was not too expensive, and I'm very happy about those two cards. Great. Next, I will show you another card what I ever show in one of my video. Is my oldest sport card. It's a Hassan 1912. I purchased this card from a French seller. I'm not an expert, but maybe I would try focus. Oh, sorry, the cam don't focus. Oh, sorry, don't focus. But I think it's a real card, but I am not an expert. Just to show you the back. Okay, very great. And I discovered the Hassan cork tip cigarette, and I look on the net if I can find another card. About baseball, it's clearly not about my budget, it's too expensive, but I find another Hassan card, and I will show you those. That is come from a US seller, very cheap. It's about 3 or at the maximum $5 per card, and I love this card. Of course, it's not about baseball or football, something like this, but very happy with this. It's very about track and field, but I love the card, and I'm definitely a collectioner, an addict about collecting cards, even non-sport card. But I love this. Frank Riley, Lou Manley. Of course, I don't know those guys, but anyway. This is from John Obermeyer. I will maybe not show you the back of the card for all the cards, but that they are crazy. And I can pass on because the price was very cheap. I think it was 3 or at the maximum $5 per card. I love this card too. It's Paul Pilgrim. Steinert. I don't know really the year abroad. Maybe I would show you the card. G.A. Woody, of course, the cards are not in my condition. But at the back, I don't know the year. Maybe it's 1910 or something like this, or maybe little. I don't know really the year, but it's a circa, I think, 1910. Very happy with this. This is Gratz, okay. Smith Nordstrike, great. And the horizontal card are Melvin Shepard, Martin Sheridan, Walter Lee, and Lawson Robertson. Nice, very happy with this very fantastic card. On my last stuff, I will try to show you. This comes from a German seller. It's some throwback player, but I don't know a lot about this player. We'll talk about it. Bill Berger auto with the Philadelphia Eagles uniform. Love this looking of this card. This card is a Upper Deck 1997, I think so. Okay. And the other card from the same seller is very nice. It's Harold Jackson with the Rams. That it's Upper Deck 2005. Okay, great. I pay about $10 per card. I can pass on my last item I want to show. It's a purchase from a former video about a stock of vintage card, but I forget to show you that it's a photo poster from the Boston Celtics. I don't know many players on this photo. Of course, there is the famous Larry Bird, the coach Red Auerbach, something like this. But on this picture, I don't see Robert Partridge or Kevin McHale, Dennis Johnson or Danny Ainge. This head say me something. I don't. Is it Oscar Robertson? No, I don't think so. At the back there is not information. Maybe I will make more research on this guy. I don't know. Is it Pete Maravich? No, I don't think so. Bob Cousy must to be before this era. But anyway, all the best. Happy collecting. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.